So in the last class, we discussed about the is null operator. We discussed about the remaining, that is in operator, between, in, like, and is null. Okay. So is null operator, we discussed, it is used to compare whether the value is null, because no other go to compare the value is null or not except is null operator. So it is very important operator that we discussed in the last class. Okay. That is the thing. And let me see the next of the next thing is operator precedence. Okay. So that we will discuss. Okay. Before that, I forgot to ask about what about the yesterday test? Have you done it? I didn't check your paper due to continuously having another work. That's what I have seen
Yes,
orally,
sir.
but I
Done good.
want to do the correction. You have done good. Okay. What about remaining students? Have you all done quickly, properly? Today I will do the correction and I will send the marks also. Have you all done? So practice that. For example, once you, even though the question is a little bit tougher or whatever thing, if you feel means also not an issue. After the once the test is completed, you start to write the answer by your own. Or else, if you have doubt means you can just send through the WhatsApp. Okay, sir, these questions I'm having the doubt. You just mark the question and you can send me. If you don't know how to answer it means, okay, that will be you want to know it. That is very important. You want to know the answer for that. Okay. Rest of the theory questions and all, by referring the book or slides or material, you can easily get it. For program, I'm saying that is also, if you refer the homework, all the questions will be asked from the based on homeworks only. So which I given the homework, those who are done the homework properly and very frequently, so you won't feel, you won't find that much of difficulty, because the sum is, I mean, the question is very familiar. In homework we ask the regarding the student details, but here I asked in the employee details. There's a likewise a small difference only. Okay, that's what. Okay, let me continue our class. So in the last class we discussed about the operator precedence. We are about to see that. Okay, like Python, here also operators are there, precedence also there. Precedence means priority. For example, if we are using the more than two operators, so which one will first it will work, which one is second it will work, likewise it will check it. Okay, so like that, here also operator precedence are there. There is priority is there. Let me see. First one is, you can see the not operator. You can see this in the symbol. That is the highest precedence in the SQL. Okay. Next thing you can see, multiplication symbol, then division, then div. That is both the word we can use, either slash or div. Okay. Modulus, by using the percentage symbol, or mod. You can use any one term. Okay. Next one is minus, that is subtraction and addition. And next thing is less than, greater than. Then next level only what? Equal to. Actually it is mistake, not two equal to, only one equal symbol. Okay, equal, greater than or equal, less than or equal to, and not equal to. That is, it is different one. Not equal to, how to give in SQL. We have discussed
சார்
it.
ரெண்டு இந்த மாதிரி வந்து சார் அது
With
ஏதோ
less than symbol as well as greater than symbol together.
Greater than and less
Yeah,
than symbol.
yeah, that is
ஆமா சார்
that is
அந்த
we
மாதிரி
have to use
சார்
the in yes, in SQL. Okay, is, like, in, between, these operators the next level. And not, the same word, if you are using the word means the letter not means, that is the low precedence. And last precedence you can see, that is or. Okay, or operator is the last priority in the expression, in the SQL expression. That's what we are discussed. Okay, this is very important also too. Okay, let me go to the next one. And now we are going to enter the new topic, that is order by class. So though, I mean, this much time we discuss about where class. With the where class, how to use the relation operator, that is comparison operator, logical operator. This with many queries, example queries we have done, and the own queries also we executed in the SQL. Okay, now we are entering into the new class, that is called order by class. Likewise, having, grouping, likewise different classes also there. First we are seeing the order by class. The order by class is used to order the data, that is arrange the data either in ascending order or descending order. By default it will do in ascending order. Okay, that is the basic thing. Okay, so how to write the query? Let you see some example. You can see select all from emp, that is, or else instead of all we can give the which are all the fields want to display, that field name alone you can give it. Okay, for example, in this case, select all from emp, order by name we have to give. Then the table will be displayed based on the name in ascending order. Whose name will start with A, that name will be, it will print at first. I mean, it will display at first. So A, B, C, likewise till Z, it will be goes on. Have you understand? So default it will take ascending order. Okay, if you want to mention in, I want to name list in descending order, sir, then Zahir Khan want to first Zahir, that is that it is start with the number name that want to display in descending means, then we need to use the keyword that is DESC. Okay, we are using the same keyword for another purpose also. Can anyone say? DESC, we are using the same keyword for another one purpose.
So to describe the fields in the table.
Very good. Describe
What
the
type of
table.
the fields are?
Yes. If you want to know the what are the fields are there in the table, that is describe the table means we can use either describe table or else DESC table.
DST table.
Yes. Okay. So these are all the things are there. Okay. Let you see this. Second queries you can see what is the syntax means order by. Next is field name, then order. Which order? Ascending or descending? If we didn't give the order, actually ascending means we should give ASC. If we didn't give means by default it will take in, I mean it will arrange in ascending order. Okay, that is the concept. Okay. And second thing you can see select all from EMP order by salary DESC. That means based on the salary in descending order the details will be, the record will be displayed. So who is descending order means who is getting the highest salary, that name will be displayed where? At the starting. Could you understand? Who is getting the top salary? For example, one person is getting a 10 lakhs means the 10 lakh will be at the first. Then rest of the things be in descending order, no, in the number wise. Have you understand what I'm trying to tell?
Yes, sir.
That is the thing. Okay. Next thing is select by. Third query, you can see this very important. Select all from EMP order by. Here we are using by two things. You can see order by department. Department should be in ascending order and salary should be in descending order. That means what it will do. Can anyone say that? Can anyone able to say? What's the meaning of the third one?
Sir, it will
Hmm.
arrange the
Try it.
department in ascending order and
Hmm.
it will arrange salary in the descending order.
Okay, man. Can you say, for example, for example, one company is there, 100 employee are there. Okay, each department, 10 departments are there. Each department 10 members. Totally 100 employees are there. Suppose in the table means. Okay, first it will arrange the department in ascending order. Okay, in the department, in the particular department, then salary will be assigned. For example, 10 members are working in a department. No. Okay, in among the 10 who is getting the highest salary, then sorry it is in descending order only, no, so that's what, who is getting the highest salary, then next salary, for example 1 lakh 90,000, then 80,000, then 70,000, likewise it is goes. Have you understand that? What is the meaning?
Yes,
How
sir,
the,
understood, sir.
yeah, now the
Yes,
table
sir,
will be
understood.
display name, all the records will be displayed, but in which order means department wise in ascending order as well as salary wise in descending order. So both the segregation we are doing, that is very important. This is the very important thing. Please, we will do the recap also. Select all from EMP order by department in ascending order. Okay, comma salary, but it should be in descending order. Okay, so department wise, first priority is given to department wise, it will assign. Okay, it is in
Sir,
ascending
these
order
two
form.
things are happening in certain times, sir.
I didn't get it. Can you say again? Two things.
Sir, these two things, sir. Department ascending order and salary descending order.
Mm-hmm.
Both are happening in same time, sir.
Same time only it will do. Okay, same time only. How the?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, first I will better I will show the table also. 1 minute. I mean we will do in SQL. You can understand it. 1 minute. Oh, it's not typing. 1 minute. So let me see the what are the departments. I mean database are there. If you want to show all the database means what is the thing? Show databases. Okay, this is the query. Oh, what is the thing?
Sir,
Spelling mistake.
Sir, the base ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತು sir. BA.
Yeah. So we are created NCRT, no? So use NCRT. Okay. So show tables because we forgot the table name. That is EMP, no?
Sir,
So,
NCRT ones are, sir. So EMP,
EMP, I think so. So I will just select,
select. So top thing is select.
select all from EMP. EMP contain only one man. I think EMP one. I think so. Yes, of course. So yeah, correct.
Yes, sir. Last table is EMP1.
So let me do the query. What is the thing? Select. We'll use the same thing. Select all from EMP1. Then order by.
Order by
Order by.
department ascending.
Here we can give department. What is the ASC?
Ascending, sir.
Yeah, ascending.
Then salary descending, sir.
Salary DESC. Okay. So if we give means now you can understand, no? It will segregate the department in ascending order. So as per the, so you can see the previous table, CS, IT, HR, CS. Okay. So CS department people are all segregated in the first one because as per the ascending order, C only comes as first, no? A, B, C. So CS salary will be in
Yes, sir.
descending order. Descending order means 1 lakh, I mean, sorry, 10 lakh, then 20, sorry, 1 lakh, then next is 25,000. Okay, then HR department. Next to C, D, E, F, C, likewise, if it is goes in ascending order means. Have you understand, Rajshekhar?
Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
Yeah, fine. What about remaining students? Do you all understand, no? That query?
Yes, sir.
Understood,
Understood, sir.
Okay, fine. Let me go to the thing also. Okay, you can see this. Now you can see the last one. That's what the last one is very important. How to segregate the data based on, I mean, two filters, two columns also we can, not only two, we can segregate with the age wise. For example, suppose we are given the employee details also means date of birth wise. Suppose we want to know the who are all working in department in old age. That is, I mean, those who are having the experienced person. For a project we want to select a more experienced person, then how to select? So by based on the data of joining or years of experience or date of birth, whatever thing. Okay, so we can use age, department, and some other criteria, salary or whatever thing. Okay, so like that also we can segregate the data by using the order by class. This is one of the important class in the SQL. So have you understand the order by class? Have you thorough how to do in
Understood,
ascending
sir.
order, descending? Yeah, descending order also.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
ASC is a code, I mean keyword for ascending order. DESC is a code or keyword for the descending order. Okay, by default it will take ASC. If you didn't give means, if you didn't give anything means, it will automatically it will take in the ascending order. Okay, that is the concept. Okay, let me go to the next one. And then MySQL functions. Let me come to the middle of the chapter. Okay, so what are the SQL functions are there? How it is segregated? It is segregated into three things, three categories. One is the string functions, mathematical functions, date and time functions. I hope it is given in your book also to refer it if you are having the book means. Okay, so the three functions. String function means, as you know, as you studied in the Python, lowercase, I mean, is lower, is upper, likewise length function. We can, many functions are there. Mathematical function, calculation related things and all is there. Date and time, as you know, if you want to only the display the year alone, month alone, date alone, if you want, or day alone, if you want to mention means many functions are there. Let me see one by one. Okay. Okay, first one we will see string function. Okay, string related data, how to do the manipulation on over the string related data, that is DML commands are all. Okay, so first thing char, CHER. Okay, in Python we use the two functions, CHR and ORD function. Have you remember the CHR function? If you give any character, it will tell the ASCII code, that is, it will return the ASCII
Yes,
code.
sir.
ORD function, it is, I think, the chapter 4 or 3 it is there. ORD function, ORD function, it will return what? If we give you a number means, it will return what? ASCII code, that is A or B, like this, if you give. So, but their CHR function is there in Python. In SQL, what is the thing? CHAR function. Okay, that is char function is there. It will return the what? It will return what is the, if you give a pass any number, what is the equivalent ASCII value? It will display. Okay. Next thing is concat function. We are already discussed. Can you say where we discussed? I mean, in the SQL, I'm saying. The SQL, we discussed the concat function. Can you remember that? Rupee.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
for
sir.
example,
Inserting
RS,
that symbols.
yeah, inserting a symbol or inserting any text, rs dot, then the rupees if you want to display. For example, with any string, if you want to do the concatenation, string plus field name. Field means column name, I'm saying. Okay, we can use the concat function. Concat is the one of the function in the string. Okay, then lowercase, that is there also lower function is there. Python also here also lower function is there. Another name also there, we can use lcase function. Here two names are there, that is very important. I'm just scrolling to top. Lower function as well as lcase function. Have you understood? Lcase function or lower function will convert the given string into the lowercase or given character into the lowercase. Have you understand? You can see this. Select
Yes, sir.
Yes,
lower.
sir.
Yeah, name. Name means here what is the name? Meaning of name is what? Name means field name.
Field name.
Field.
Have you understand? Yeah, field, no, that is a column name
Okay,
I'm
sir.
saying. Okay, in the table. You can see
Yes, sir.
select, yeah, select lower of, it is a function. We are passing the name as here, that is field as the argument. Okay, in the function lower of, then field name from emp table. So emp table, the field name is there, no? So what are the names are there? All the name will be converted into the lowercase for viewing purpose alone. It won't originally change it. For viewing, it will change into uppercase or lowercase based on our queries. Okay, so let you go to the next one. Substring function. Okay, the substring function is used to do the slicing. Okay, we are using the slicing concept in Python, but in SQL we are using the substring. Let you see directly. We will see the example. You can easily understand. Select substring of laptop. That is a string. Okay, laptop is a string. Whatever string you can give. Start and how many characters want to display. Second position is for starting position. It is not based on index. It is not. It is purely based on the length, that is number of characters only. Okay, let us see this. For example, you can see 3 comma 3 be given. So 3 means which is the third one. What is the third letter? It is not start with 0, it start with 1 only. So what is the thing? L is 1, A is 2, P is 3, isn't it? So P is the starting letter. From the letter, how many letters, how many characters want to display? 3 characters be given. That's what last 3 is denoting how many characters we want to display. 3 characters means P is first one, T is second character, O is third character. PTO it is displaying. Have you understand?
Understood, sir.
Function, yeah. So you can see this same thing. Middle all, that is the computer also. You can see 4 comma 3. So starting with the where the fourth letter, which is the fourth letter means P. Okay. From the 3 characters it display. That is PUT. It is displaying. Okay. So mid function also doing the same concept. Okay. That is whether it is doing the slicing, same thing. String slicing we used. Here it is slicing and return the what is the sliced string from the given string. Okay, that is the thing. And next one is uppercase. Sorry, upper function. You already know that. Likewise, the lower function, it is also convert the given string or given field into uppercase. Okay. For example, select upper of field name from table name. If you give means it will be. Or else, if you want to simply want to change means India. If you give means output we will get in India. Let me try it. You can see. Select. Okay. I'm just giving what is it? Upper of. I'm just giving something in the code. Okay. As super, I'm just typing. Okay. Now you can see. So you can see this output will be getting in the capital letter just for changing. Suppose if you want to let you do the display all the name, for example, select name. Select upper of name. Okay, comma department. For example, from EMP1. Table name is what? EMP1. EMP1. If you just give means all the name alone will be different. Display in the capital letter. Have you understand how to use in the SQL query? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Understood.
Yeah, fine. Okay, let me go to the slide. Uppercase. Okay. Then next thing is L trim and R trim. It is related to some functions. Can you guess it? I'm giving a time for you. Can you guess what function is related to Python? Which function is related to Python? L trim will remove the, you can see the slide.
Strip
Very
function.
good. Strip function. There we what
L
we use.
strip and R strip.
Super nice. L strip and R strip. But here in the SQL, what is the function? Trim function. L trim, R trim, and trim. Okay, so trim, it will remove the characters from the starting and ending. L trim, let you see this one. L trim function will remove the leading space. That is left hand side. Left hand side means what? Starting of the letter. No, that is starting of the thing.
Starting.
Yes, starting of the thing. If any spaces is there, means it will remove that space. Okay, R trim function will remove the spaces from the trailing side. That is the ending of the string. Okay, and let you go to the next one. Trim function. Trim function, it will remove. Strip function we use it in Python, no? So here trim function is used to remove the spaces from beginning as well as ending. There is the leading as well as trailing. Okay, both the sides it will remove the white spaces if it is means. Okay, that is the thing. And next one is in str. In str, it is to search one string in another string. Same related function we discussed in the Python. Can anyone guess it? What is the function we use? Is the same purpose. In Python also similar type of function is
Seek
there.
function, sir.
Which function?
Seek.
No.
Find function and string functions.
Very good. Find function. Find function. Actually, the find function is used for what? Finding a substring, and it will return. It will tell the which is the starting index of the substring where it is present in the given string. Correct? No. So likewise, here what is the thing means in str function. Okay, in str is one of the function. It will return the position where the, for example, let you see the example computer. Suppose we want to we want to find the word put. Okay, so which is the starting thing? There it will return what? Indexing based on index, but here it will tell the length of the thing based on the length. You can see COMP. So this is a fourth letter. Output will be 4. Okay. Next example you can see select insert, that is in str. Python is a string. C++ is a substring. Whether the C++ is there in Python, the word is letter is there.
No, sir.
Suppose no means it will return 0. But in find function, if the given substring is not found in the string means it will return -1. Okay, such type of comparison question will be, I mean, differentiation question will be asked in the board exam. Okay, which is a similar type of function we are using in Python, likewise in str function, or else in Python they will ask this type of questions. So what the result will be returned if the in str function in the string, and if you are applying the find function in string. Okay, in str function if you apply means what will get? It will return the if the string substring is found means it will return the what is the position of the string. Okay, but here in find function it will return the what is the index of the string. Okay, if the substring is not found means it will return 0, where in str function. Suppose in find function it will return what? -1. Hello.
-1.
Yeah, are you all listening? So this
Yes,
is
sir,
very
listening,
important. Such type of questions will be asked. Okay. Next we go to the next one. Length function. There we are using what function? Python. Don't know. It's well familiar.
Sir.
Length function is there. It is returned.
Len function.
Len function. Okay. Listen carefully. Only Silvaram is answering. Rest of students, I don't know what you people are doing. Answer it. Urbanandam, answer. Okay. Let you see this. Len function. Actually, the output is wrong. It is 6. Okay. Output is 6 want to be there because Python is how many letters are there? I think 6 letters only. There's what output want to be 6. It is wrong one. Don't take it as a select len of syntax alone. Just see that select len of Python. That is a given character. That is a string. Okay, if you pass a string, it will tell the len of that one. Okay, so that is the concept. You can see select name and len of name from EMP. That means what? Each name and len of name will be displayed. For example, Raj means 3. It will display likewise from the EMP table. Okay, for example, how to apply in the table means. Okay, the next one is left function and right function. It is also having in Python. Okay, that means it want to search from the left hand side and right hand side, isn't it? Can you say, can you remember that? Left and
Yes,
right
sir.
function. Yeah, here also left is there. N is number of characters of the S is beginning where it should be start. Okay, you can see the example. Select left KVOEF. It is a string. 2 is given. 2 means from the left side, starting to 2 characters will display. Which is the left side? Left side means starting. No, starting. What is the first character? K. What is the second character?
K.
So first K will
V.
be display because we asked to print 2. No, it will take 2 arguments. Okay, 2 is argument. That's what it's printing 2. Let you see the right function. I mean next one. Right of KV space OEF. This is the string. We are asking display the last 3 characters. What is the last 3 character? So FEO, that is it will display from the last 3 means OEF, that is the last 3 characters. Suppose 4 we given, we pass it instead of 3, 4 we given means what will be the output?
1 space OEF.
Super. Space OEF will be given. I mean it will be getting there as an output. Have you understand these functions? Left function, right functions. So these are all the
Yes, sir,
important
understood.
Yes, sir.
functions. In the book also it is given clearly, I think so. So refer that also. Okay, let me go to the next one. Okay, numeric functions. Okay, so many functions are there. In order to do the numerical work, we will see this mod function. There modulus operator is here. Here mod function also there. It will return the remainder, as you know that. For example, modulus operator is getting the remainder. No, here also same thing. But mod, select mod. 11,5 means 11 is a dividend and 5 is a divisor. If we divide, that means we will get 1 because 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, remainder 1 we get. That's what the 1. It will return mod function, modulus function, modulus division, no, same thing. Okay, power, as you know that better than. Okay, B to P means that is the first one is what to be that number, second one is power. Power of first one number, which number want to get multiply, and second is how many times it want to get multiply. That is power is 2 power 5. So 2 2s are 4. That is 2 into 2 into 2. Likewise, it is 5 times is there. Okay, so we are getting 32. Same as it is. Power POW function we used, isn't it? Math function. I'm sorry, in Python.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, which is defined in which module?
Math module
Math
O
module.
function.
Math module POW, that is POW function. Here then there is no necessity to import any module. Directly we can use power, but here power we have to use. Okay, power of there is number comma power. Yeah, there is exponential value. The next one is the round function. This also Python it is there, but we should use the import the module math. But here it is not like that. Round function is used to round off. You can see return number rounded to D places after decimal. Let you see, I will tell that. You can see that. 11.589, likewise if it is goes means 2 digit only. If you want to display, it will compare with the last thing. In mathematics and all lower classes, I mean even now also the teacher will tell if it is goes like that means which is for example the significant digit we are taking. No, for example greater than 5 means we will add 1, then we will round off it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the same thing. 11.59 instead of 58 559 it will round off it. You can see 12.999. Okay, 9 is there. What is the 2 digit we asked to display? That's what the 2 is mentioning. How many digits after the decimal point? Okay, how many digit we want to display, that one. Okay, 2 we mentioned. 9 is there. 9 plus 1, that is 9 is greater than 5. That's what will do. It will add 1, that is 10. 10 means again if you add means 13 is the rounded value. 10, that in 0.00, because we only asked to display what? 2 digits. That's what it will display the 00. Okay, and next one is sign. In order to, if you want to mention the sign means in a number, in the integer data type we using in the SQL, no, there is SQL, no. So if you want to display with the sign means sign function we can use. Sign of the value, that is the column name, or else sign of the number. If you give means minus 10 means it will return minus 1. Minus 1 means is a minus symbol is there. That's what you can see. Return -1 for negative sign. Okay, for positive means this number, this it will give for the direct number. Plus it won't display. Instead of direct number only it will display, not that much. And square root function, SQRT function, same function we are using in the that is in Python also. Okay, return the square root of the n. You can see square root of 144. We are getting what? Output 12. That is square root of 144 is what? 12. We know that, isn't it? We are using in the Python where?
Yes, sir.
In the math module.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, math dot
Math module square root function.
Yeah, math dot SQRT, like this we are using here directly SQRT. That is the thing. Okay, next one, let me see it. It is a truncate function. You can see this return the number of that is up to n places after decimal. If you want to decimal round off with after the truncate means decimal point alone it will display. You can see this. It will stop the limits. You can see this. Select truncate 15.789 is there. 2 is there means 79. It will round off as well as it will stop with the 2 points. I mean 2 decimal points. Both are looking like it's similar, round off and truncate, but a little bit small difference is there. Truncate it will round off as well as it will show the 2 digits. Round off also doing the same thing, but in some exception are there. Okay.
Sir, they have given without rounding. There may be a mistake in the output, sir.
Without rounding.
The last line after decimal without rounding it. So
Let me do
output
it.
may be wrong, sir.
I think so. Let me do it. What are the things we given? Truncate, no? Select truncate of. Let me tell some 5 point.
5.879.
Thing we given. I think what is the mistake, man? Let me
Sir,
see.
comma 2.
Okay, okay. We didn't mention that. Okay, comma 2 if we given. Suppose. Then 2
Yes,
digit
sir.
alone it display. Okay. Of course, it
Mistake
won't
in the
take.
output in the slide.
It won't rounding off, but it will display only 2 digits, isn't it? Correct? No.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Very good. Let us see the next one also. Of course, truncate function, it will just stop the number of digits want to display, but round off function, as you know, is rounding one. Okay, that is which is the nearest decimal that it will take as a, if it is finding the nearest decimal as well as display the number of digits which we want to display. Okay, both the things it will tell that. Okay, it will return it. Okay, let me go to the next one. Okay, next thing is date and time function. Okay, so there is a thing current date function we already discussed. Anyhow, we will discuss it. Current date function or current date function. Okay, either one name we can use. Current date means current date. If you want to display the current date means, let you see, for example, CURDATE. If you use this function means it. What is the mistake? Select, no, we should use
Select date.
select current date. I'm just giving. So you are getting the current date. It will take from the system only. Okay, that is one
Yes, sir.
2029 1. Like you in this date format, it will display. Current date also same thing. Another name for that. Okay, let me see the date function. As you know that it will display the return the date part, date and time. Okay, with the things you can see this. We will type it. Select. What's the thing? Date function. Okay, if you use. What is the mistake? What is the mistake we done? Date, return the part. Okay, we need to give the date in the. Of course, if you give the select the date means it will return only the date. Have you understand? So same thing only.
Yes, sir.
2018 8/15. Okay, month means we need to give the thing. We need to pass the entire date. Then from that it will return the what? Month alone. Then year alone. Okay, year means first 4 digit will display. Month means middle one. As we discussed, no, like function. Display the
Yes, sir.
February
Yes, sir.
month. Yeah, likewise, same thing. But functions are there. You just go through it. Okay. This something very rarely we are using in our project, but questions will be asked from this functions. Okay, because we won't much concentrate on this. But anyhow, from the word point of view, questions will be asked. Okay, month function only display the
Okay,
month
sir.
from the date. Year function only display the year from the given date. Okay, day day name, that is finding the day name. I think it's quite interesting. Let me type. Okay, what is the thing? Select. What is the thing? Function name is
Sir.
day name. I think 1 minute more, students. Please properly. Please join it. I think again rejoin it. Okay, 1 minute more.
Yes, sir.
If the link is cut means you just join it. Okay. Date name. Meanwhile, I'm typing it. Date and name. Okay. We need to give the value. So let me give the today's value and 09. What is it? So as you are seeing the day name, if you want to find the day name means we need to give the entire what is the thing? Entire date. Then it will tell which day today. What is the today date? Day it will return it. Okay. Let us see this. There is year. Year means we pass means it will return only the year. Okay. That's what we discussed. Name of the day of the month, that is which day. For example, you can see 2018 8/15 means it is the 15th date, 15th day of the month. That is 1 to 31. It is very funny. That is what is the day? Definitely that will be the day of the month, no? Isn't it? 31st
Yes,
if you
sir.
given, that is
Yes, sir.
31st
Yes,
date.
sir.
But anyhow, one function is there. You just see that. Okay, we cannot simply we can skip it. Okay, because sometimes such type of questions will be also asked. Okay, what are the functions are there to display the current what is the thing, day of the month? Likewise, they will give an example. They will ask the question also. We should know the name function name, or else it will tell it will. I mean, you will use the mark. That's what I know to tell. And week of the day, that is, it is good. Okay, you can see this. Return the weekdays index. For example, Sunday 1, Monday 2, likewise. For example, they given 4 means it is return 3. That is the third week, likewise. Oh, of course, it is wrong, no? Return
Sir, no,
weekday.
sir.
No, weekday index. For example, 4 means suppose it may be what? Tuesday. That much
It may be
return
Tuesday,
3.
sir. So
Yeah.
it is 3.
So in this year, okay, 2018, 12, 4th day, maybe Tuesday. That's what it is returning. Output 3. Let me see this week, day of week function. Day of week, we should pass that also. We try it. 1 minute, you can see this. Yeah. Day of week, no? Day of week.
Day of week. So select.
So select will be
Select,
select will be.
select space day of week. 2020
Date.
date. For example, let me give 05. Let me check it whether it is still correctly or not. 7. That is it Saturday?
Yes, sir. Saturday, sir.
Of course, 5 is
No,
Saturday. Good. Okay, so it is telling very correctly. Okay, so day of week.
Sir, this
So
also it will calculate from the current system settings, no, sir.
system
That
setting.
is,
For example, but how the function is defined means, for example, it will implicitly call the day name function. You can see this day name function. Previously we
yes,
didn't
sir.
know. Suppose the day name function is equal to 1. If it is sorry, equal to Tuesday,
sir,
it will
sir,
return
ஒரு
3.
doubt, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, அவங்க எப்படி சார் 7 ன்னு வந்துச்சு?
That's what, man, I'm explaining. For example, it will tell, I will use again for your understanding. What is today date is? Today is 1, no? 01, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you give means it will return 3. What's the meaning means? Sunday means it will return 1. Monday means it will return 2. Tuesday means it will return 3. Likewise, Wednesday means 4. Thursday means 5. Friday means 6. Saturday means 7. Have you understand, Chandru? Hello.
ஓ சண்டேல இருந்து கவுண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு வருது சார்.
Yeah. Sunday means 1. Okay. Suppose it may be this day of
Okay,
function
sir.
implicitly called the day name function. The day name function returns something. No, I'm explaining apart from that. Okay.
Yes,
So if
sir.
the returning value is Tuesday means it will display 3. Likewise, they may define the function in the function header. I mean the function definition. Have you understood, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Understood,
sir.
sir.
Understood, sir.
Okay, good. So day of the week, it is very interesting, and you can see here, day of year. It is also very nice. Return value from 1 to 366. Suppose the leap year means. Okay, you can see select day of year 2018. Let me check it. Day of year, no. This day is what? How many days in the week? We cannot judge it, no. Day of year. Okay, let me check and then find the value. So this is 45th day, man, in this year. This 2020, we are in the day of 45th day. Today is okay. It's very nice. Okay, let me check for tomorrow, or else 5th. Okay,
So அது என்ன சார் 245 years னா?
that's what, man, I'm explaining. This
Days.
day of year is function. This function will return which, that is the number of days. I mean, we are living in the which day. Can you understand what's the mean? 245th day we are. Current day is in this year. Exam in a year 265 days are there, no, man. You understand, Chandru? Per
புரிய
year,
மாட்டேங்குது சார்.
in year how many days are there? Generally
365.
365 days. If suppose if it is a leap year means it is 366. Okay. So if you give the, you can see this first screen. Okay. Day of the year, I'm keeping 2020, that is 901. If I pass today date means it will tell in among the 365 days, which day this is. Okay, what is written? 245 return,
Oh,
no? So this is 245th day of the 365. I mean 366
oh,
is
okay,
leap year,
sir.
no? This year is, that's what. Okay, that is the thing. Have you
Okay,
understand?
sir. Okay, sir.
The rest of students, have you all understand? The day of
Understood,
year.
sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Understood,
So
sir.
see, many things are there. Day name, day of month, day of week, day of year. The day of month means which date of the month, in the month, which number of days that it will return. That is simple. Day of week means whether it is a which day, each day having one number. Sunday means 1, Monday means 2, Tuesday means 3. So it will return in the format of number format. Okay, day of week means. Okay. And the third thing is day of year. That is good. So total number of years, how many days which we are now. Okay, current date is based on the arguments. It will return. Okay, day of the year. Which day of the year? Okay, year is 2020 means which day that is among the 255. Sorry, 365. Okay, this is the concept. It is the last one is superb. It is nice. These functions are just note down it. Date function, date function, month. Okay, anyhow, it is in the video also. You can refer it. I will afterwards. I will post this slide also in our website. Kindly go through it. In books
Okay,
also,
sir.
it is there. I think so. Have you gone through that? It is there. So refer it. Is a
Yes, sir.
date and time functions. Okay, under the topic of date and time functions. And next thing is now and system date. Okay, both are similar only, but small difference is there. Let me discuss it. Okay, you can see return both current date and time at which functions, I mean, at which the function executes. Now means, for example, now if I execute the function, what is the current exact time? It will tell the, which one? The now function will tell the date, current date, as well as time also. The time of the function is executed. Okay, and next thing, system based, I mean sysdate function is used to return the both current date and time. You can see what is the difference means. Now function return the date and time at which function has executed. Even that is, if we execute multiple now function with select, whereas that is, even though we are 2 times or 3 times, if we are giving means at time what we executed, that date alone it will, that time alone it will display. Okay, whereas system date, that is sysdate function, will always return the date and time at which each sysdate function is started and executed. Okay, now can you understand that? That is, which is
Yes,
giving
sir.
the exact time means sysdate function giving the exact time. Okay, for example, in a single minute, if you are executing now function 2 times also, it will give the static value. Okay, but in sysdate it will tell the current time. You can see this, select now, sleep 2, then select now, sleep function is there. After that also it is again saying the display. So you can see this 2018 12, time is noting the time, that is very important. 10:26, 10 hour 26 minutes 20 seconds. Okay, after 2 minutes also it is displaying what? 10 hour 26 minutes 20 seconds only. Actually it should want what? 22 seconds, but it is showing the when the time is executed, when the now function is executed, that alone display. But system sysdate function, you can see, select sysdate sleep means after 2 minutes 2 seconds. Again system sysdate function is executing. You can see output will be 10:27:08 seconds. Okay, after 2 seconds what will be the second? 10
Zero
seconds.
10.
Correct, no? So have you understand? I think this example
Yes,
is
sir.
very clear. I think so. Okay, now between
Yes,
the
sir.
now
Yes, sir.
function
Understood,
and
sir.
the,
Sir,
yeah,
what
now,
if we give next one line we have give select now sleep for of two and now, sir, and then also next line if we give the same, it will be
now
differing, no,
function.
sir.
Yeah, of course. For example, you are asking select now function. We are executing in this. What is the current time? 2:57 time
Yes, sir.
minutes. 2:58 again. Once you execute it means it will display the different time only. What is the exact time it will display? But
Oh,
after
okay, sir.
same time that the function is executed, it will wait for 2 minutes, then 2 seconds, not minutes. 2 seconds means just like that it is executing, no. So it will even executed means last time only it will display. Okay, better we will use sysdate function. Okay, these are all the
Okay,
functions.
sir.
Now function and sysdate function. This difference definitely they will ask. Okay, you just write the same syntax and the example is very nicely they given in this slide. Okay, the selected one you can write it for your betterment. Okay, that will be fine.
Okay, sir.
Let me go to the next one. Okay, 1 minute. I think Jay Aditya, he is 11th standard boy. I think now class is going for 12th standard man. You can join for 3 o'clock after 1 minute. Okay, you can join it. Okay, that's what I'm thinking that the strength is increasing. I have a doubt. The 11th next class
Yes,
I'm
sir.
having
One
11th.
more Sri Pavitra also here, sir.
Yes. I think these are all 11th standard students. Your class will be start in exactly after 1 minute. Okay, you can join it at time. Now it is class for 12th standard. Okay, okay, students. 12th standard. I mean, we completed the date and time function, string function, and numerical functions. I'm sorry, numeric functions. Okay, these three functions we discussed today, and tomorrow we will discuss the rest of the things. That is the next. We will see the
Okay,
aggregate
sir.
function, basic functions, and very interesting also too. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss the rest of the topic. Okay, thank you to all.
Sir, what about reopening of schools, sir? Is there any chance next month, sir?
Maybe possibilities are there.
Sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
What about project presentation, sir?
that is next.
From next week starting now, sir.
Yes, it is. What we planned. It is based on Zoom. We will conduct it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you to all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.